Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of us on the Roblox account. I'm actually gonna try a different game today. There's actually a game that's been popping up on my feed quite recently, and I'm pretty sure it is called the Tank Game. So if we just get into that, okay, this is really weird, it's awkward silence. Anyway, apparently it's a really nice game. One thing when I load into new games, okay? Oh, I'm incredibly fast. There was a game similar to this I used to play. It's called Deep.io. Like, back when that was such a good game to play on Chrome and stuff. That was a really nice game. So I'm noticing some, like, weird bullets coming from behind me here. Oh, that flame one looks so cool. My goodness. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, isn't that just so nice? Something we can't buy. 10 XP. Oh, I'm 17. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I gotta go into the pros because I'm a pro. I mean, not trying to. I played Black Ops 7. Black Ops 6. Damn, that's expensive. And damn, what is that? And okay. Okay, just like 10 minutes, we can get that. Yo, the factory level 6,000. Skin shop. Let's get a flag. I don't have a choice, do I? I have to go as the red bomb. Okay, damage. 5. Let's just go for making everything 1. Oh, I don't have my levels anymore. This 100% distract. OMG, what is that? I'm surrounded by strong tanks. What's this? Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh, favorite action. We can just use the same strat, you know? At least have favorite 5 when we need it. I'm low-key so smart for doing this. Oh wow, I'm such a high level. Yes, I see someone behind that. I need to start enforcing my dominance. Yeah. Oh, look at it. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. He's a high level. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh. It's a battle of the lower class. It's actually so struggling with this one. Good on fire rate. We did it. Let's go for this big guy here. Let's go 4. Don't matter when you face me. Now! We got some gems. We can get some upgrades. Yeah. OMG, I don't even have enough for another upgrade. I'm just poor. That's what I'm a poor guy. And let's go with total firepower. You guys see my vision? Oh no, my vision's instantly collapsed. Am I being targeted or something? Wait, is this what I like? Oh, I can't attack him and he can't attack me. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Oh. My invincibility just like goes off at a random time. Okay, I see how it is. I see how it is. I see how it is. I broke his ankle so bad, bro. He's going on vacation. And Loki figured out how to fight in this game. I did not figure out how to fight in this game. Oh, what is that? Why are they level... I only just see the leaderboard. Has it been 8 minutes yet? It's been 7. Okay, that's good to know. But we level... Yeah, oh, what's this? Don't mind if I do, I'm level 34. Highest I ever been, but we don't talk about that. Loki, though, this has been the best for me so far going with this one. I see something way out in the distance. I have to reach it. Oh, it's a level 40. Oh! How do they find me so fast? Like, damn. They're right behind me, aren't they? Oh well, I guess we're starting up again. Oh yeah, buddy. I'm not afraid anymore. I see a level 914 play. I almost got him! Welcome back to another video where we get killed a bunch more times. I don't even know what the goal is. Yeah, you just see that, yeah, I know. Yeah, it's hopeless. It's okay, we just gotta look for someone that's a low level like me. And then we see someone that's a low level like me and we do this. And we walk away because we see someone that's a higher level than me and we can't hit them. What? I don't understand anymore. I'm just gonna go. Yo, game, stop the cat! Oh no, I need to run away. Oh, there isn't anywhere to run away to. But wait. This guy's much higher level than me, but he's not better than me. But that guy's a much higher level than me, and he's better than me. It's not regaining some HP. What is that? Yo, I'm too young to die. Let's see if they can hear my voice chat. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's put the voice chat on. My voice chat doesn't even sound activated. There isn't any sign of life. Except for that guy over there. Oh, he's got the double bullet on both sides. I might try that. It's super defensive. Yo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, stay away from me. I got a bullet line. Oh no, please. I wish I could kill them. Alright, we got that wheel spin, didn't we? Damn, I'm seeing 75,000 gem XP there. You know what? I'll take 20k. We're gonna invest another 8.6k into us. Yeah. Wait, what if we play? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's over now. I figured out the secret investment. I can get so many levels like this. I see my knowledge spreads fast. But my health does not. Yo, I'm taking on a 2v1 here. Oh my goodness, I'm so good. You don't scare me no more, I got my health back. No! I'm going back to my old ways of the garden and that streamlined thing. No, I didn't. Oh, there's a golden one, but that one looks like it's gonna take me forever. There's a turquoise one, but oh, I'm making this one way faster. Oh yeah, it made me big. It made me big. Yeah. I was hearing things, alright? I'm traumatized. Oh. I don't know if I should have damaged that guy. I don't know if it was a smart decision. He'll come back to me, and I won't be able to do anything. Oh yeah, I'm a storm now. And I'm dead again. You're joking me. Why? How am I dying to a mountain? I mean, like, that's more logical when you say it like that, but like... It's a mountain. It's okay, we got a new step. We're gonna start speed maxing. See that they can't give up my speed. Hey, buddy. Oh, let's try the blaster. That's a lot of bullets. Oh, but I go through those. I go through those. I'm him. I'm Himothy. What is that? It's dealing so much damage. It's okay, I can speed max. I can speed max my way away from him. Oh, that's shiny. Oh my goodness, bro. I turn my back for 1 second, I come back. And I'm being flanked. Okay. I have no HP. There's a lot of guys coming at me. Am I feeling a little stressed? No, because I'm just gonna... Great. What? I just leveled up. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh. 150! Oh yeah. We balling now. We balling. What's this tank shop? Oh, that looks so overpowered. Let's go to index. From the 5-way, the tri-way, the double. 5-way is kind of a little weird, but you know. Tri-way, 5-way, scatter, we're respawning. Double, tri-way, 5-way scatter. Okay. You know, my mom always said be a man. But I can't be a man. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. See you in the next one.